Thank you for choosing the original ecotrash by Compaction Technologies. This is our video on how to clean your machine. If you have any questions, please contact us at 877-860-6900. Warning, do not spray the inside or outside of machine with pressurized water. Wipe down machine as often as needed. Turn key clockwise, push, then pull open door. Pull out the trash bin and tie the bag ends. Remove bag and set aside. Clean inside and outside of bin with all-purpose cleaner. Remove black plastic compactor head cover. Pull out and then down to remove the compactor head cover. Clean the inside and the outside of the head cover. The head cover should be cleaned once a week. Place head cover back in machine. The head cover is notched in the front. Make sure to place it correctly back into the machine. Place bag in bin and cover all sides. Fold top 2 inches of bag upward for easy bag removal. Wipe down inside machine and door. Place bin back into machine. Bin handle faces front of machine. Spray clean cloth and wipe down the outside of the machine. Turn key counterclockwise and remove from machine. To clean behind the compactor, pull out the machine and unplug the machine. Sweep behind the machine as needed. Mop behind the machine as needed. Plug in machine and roll into place. The machine should have a solid green ready light when it is ready for use. If you have any questions in regard to your ecotrash compactor, please call us at 877-860-6900 or visit our website at compactiontechnologies.com.